Wow, the best. Woo! What's up everybody, Noops here. Today's video is about light painting photography. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, today's video is about light painting photography and I'm not gonna waste your time like talking here a lot. I've tried light painting photography before, but I thought about trying it with a car. Unfortunately, I don't have a car. I posted the stories on my Instagram page asking someone that has a car. Someone replied to my stories. His name is Ariel. I haven't met him in person. He's following my Instagram page and he's really kind with me. He appreciate my works and stuff. He really compliment me with my photography and I really appreciate that. So yeah, he told me that he knows someone that has a car and willing to do a photo shoot with his car. I agreed with him, I talked to him and do the schedule. Finally, we meet up with Ariel. After we meet up with Ariel, we wait for a while for the owner of the car to arrive so we can continue with the photo shoot.
Akala niya na doon sa MOA mag-meet.
Nag-meet up na kami ni Noel.
Lowell.
Noel, okay. Siya yung nag-help sa akin. He helped me out to hook up with the owner of the car. So now the shoot will be happening today. So thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Nice. The car. Wow. Ang lupit.
Ayos.
Wow.
What do you do for a living, sir?
What do you do? Panalo.
Sir Joseph. Si Sir
Nawaf. Musta?
Ayos lang.
The best. King of the North. Hello guys. Finally, we're able to meet up with a dear friend. He's very kind to lend us his time for the photo shoot with his car, and it's totally free, and it's so amazing. What's your name, my friend?
Joseph Bautista.
Okay, he's from Philippines as well, and yeah, we're on our way to the photo shoot location. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. Let's go. Yeah, finally we got there. We found the location. It's amazing. It's really nice. It's what I was expecting. And once this building light up, it's gonna be amazing. So the opposite side is that one. So right. So yeah, this is gonna be a car photography shoot. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. We're waiting for the sun to go down. So let's go. Warm up a little bit, getting some shots while waiting for the sun to go down. So what I did here is I set up my camera and dial on some long exposure, long shutter speed and such things. I'm not really picky about settings, but I know some techniques that I've learned from my experiences that works with these types of photography. I took out the light that I have that was given to me. Really thank you for that. I dialed the right amount of light, so I put a timer on my camera, then I went to the car and waving like crazy weirdo guy. People around us looking at me like what he's doing, and it was really funny because they don't have idea what I'm really doing there. It looks so weird, but yeah, it was worth it. So yeah, I was just waving right there. I went back to my camera and look at the result, and it turns out really amazing for me. And yeah, I continue. I want to get more. Finally, we're done. So the result, this is what I've done. I uploaded on my Lightroom, enhance the colors, and yeah, these are the results. So let's go. So yes, thank you for watching. If you want to know how I edit those photos, please comment down below so I can make a video about it. I can show you what's the process that I did. You guys will be able to learn about it as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and ring the bell. And yeah, I guess that's it. No drama, keep shooting.